I have to say goodbye. Maybe it will stop me to make a lot of page when my important videos are going down. Last night I posted very important videos. Take care. I am a very happy girl, but my 2 children are out of my house, and I know they're not doing okay. Because if you have 2 children next to you, they're doing okay, and someone send you a picture of when your child was not doing okay. If someone take your baby and show you that your child look like that, and then they bluffing you that they can come close to your child, that they are white people in charge of your children, and it make you wonder. And they're showing you that your daughter is sitting next to a boy, which is a man, and it is someone is trying to crush me, but I am a tough cookie. They can crush me that easily. I'm thinking as I sing, but I know what I'm thinking. But they say sometimes you have to keep something to yourself. But as time goes, the truth will come out about which country is really which, because if America is in charge of everything. This was my bedroom, a bed with a cast. This is the dress I have on. And this dress is this dress. The house I was when I move away. But because the second house I get, my bed does not fit inside of it. So I have to leave this bed behind. But life goes on, people. Let me do my last karaoke and take care, everybody out there. If we don't spy in each other's window, how can we learn for the future? Well, you have advertisement. Yesu imaki ikuai telebi makai imaki ikuai telebi mahi sa kumi si kuai amaku imaki selebi mai imakai alami kuai Imasi nama Imai Imuai nama Selebimai Sikuai nama Sakumi Sikuai nama Halapi Imai. I know for sure this is my time to take back the yesterday. I am going to the future. No one coming with me, 'cause I'm gonna fly away inside of me. Every 9 months I will be inside of me every day. This is my life. If I don't fight now, when I come back to this world, my daughters will live on. Don't even remember me, but that is my stomach living in the planet. And anything I will do inside my house, it will fall in my children, and my life will not be safe. So I'm going to fight now for my future. Hey, yeah, whoa, no, la, 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 la. Imaku Sikuai nama Selebimahi Ikuai nama Isikuai nahu Selebimahi Sakumi Sikuai nama Imaki Siku Selebimai Selebimai Sikuai nama my life is the sunlight. In my life is the wind that lives inside of me. Most of the systems controlling me because I become a child, and they copy me, they brainwashing me every day. But the sun, not anymore, baby. Hey, whoa. This life with me inside of me. There is the wind in my body to masturbate me. Because of the light that live in my eye and system above system, They know who is me. They find them me and hijack me. And now they copy me. They wanna use my body without my mind. I just want to be free, to live my life the way I want. They have the children. I cannot change the past, but I am gonna protect myself in the future. I just wanna be the me inside of the me. Imataki sikuai halabi maki simataki. Yesu halabi maki selebi mahi himataki. Hiwai simaki inai simataki selebi makai. Yesu selebi mai. Yesu selebi mai imataki lebi makai. It's too late for you to play mind game with me anymore. I will live my life without you. You don't tell me anything that I need to know. I just gonna live my day without no one telling me fake news in this life. I want to grow up in this lifetime, but I am not alone. A system is versus me night and day. They want me to curse every day. If I curse, then my voice is gone. But this time, I'm gonna be the me, the me. Inside. When I wake up, I close my eyes and I look at me. I don't see no one till I open my eyes. I wanna be the me. This represents the I, what lives in my eye. Take care, people. I just want to be myself. I hope I will.